this. Okay, like that, so we can see what is happening there. Alright, so okay. Alright, we are going to make sure that we have this control and then R and then a smaller, so that will we gonna pull that and pull it down a little bit. Yeah, and we control E R, we do that, and we do this, we do that, and we put it there. Okay, alright, I think it's okay. Cool. Okay, I think that's alright. Alright, not yet. So there we have everything, including alright. So okay, let's say that this is